Ovation Medical is proud to present the latest advancement in lumbar orthosis design. Our development efforts have produced a new lumbar orthosis that is lower profile, more supportive, with more breathability than its predecessors. An easy-to-employ pulley system offers exceptional control and comfort when adjusting the tension in the brace. Quick and simple universal sizing adjustments can be adapted to fit multiple patient sizes. The new Form Universal Lumbar comes in 3 offerings for you and your patient protocol needs. After polling our customers, we recognized a unique opportunity for advancement in lumbar bracing. The market consensus was that the current products were bulky, uncomfortable, and too hot. Patients wanted a thin orthosis that offered comfortable support and could be worn discreetly under their clothing when needed. Our main goals were simply to ensure patient compliance and care provider acceptance. So how to provide all these features into one product? We soon realized we needed to develop an entirely new process. Fusion, the process or result of joining 2 or more things together to form a single entity. Introducing Ovation Medical's Fusion technology. Fusion technology blends various materials with different properties to create a multi-dimensional hybrid back support. The fusion process allowed us to combine complementary materials into a unitary composite brace that increases stability while reducing its profile, creating a more comfortable, highly breathable, and durable lumbar orthosis. By using ultra-thin advanced materials in strategic areas, we can provide 3D support where needed most. Selectively positioned tension elements are fused to the soft, aerated belt liner to provide directional strength and longitudinal stability. Integrated anterior reinforcements are fused into both belt end closures to distribute pressure anteriorly while allowing midline support and long-term shape retention. The fusion process creates a thin, streamlined, and seamless product. The fused layers became a single unitary composite belt without the traditional bulk of uncomfortable vertical stiffeners. The result is a lightweight and ultra-thin orthosis that can be worn discreetly underneath clothing when needed. Our unique combination of specific material layers automatically conforms to different anatomies. Padded material combined with lightweight, breathable construction provide a comfortable product that can be worn all day. Our combination of select breathable layers and perforated design provides maximum aeration throughout the entire product. Ventilation channels along the full length of the belt allows for rapid cooling. A perforated posterior panel allows airflow where needed most, particularly when sitting. Tough abrasion resistant, easy to clean, fused material layers combine to create a long-lasting, durable composite product that is guaranteed for 5 years. The unique design feature incorporates an automatic pressure relief window within the posterior panel for point pressure relief for tender tissues or bandages over the spinous process. The new Form LO627 is provided with a customizable anterior panel that works in conjunction with the integrated anterior reinforcements. Integrated longitudinal support elements. The rigid posterior panel extends from L1 to below the L5 vertebrae. The new Form LO631 is provided with a customizable anterior panel that works in conjunction with the integrated anterior reinforcements. Integrated longitudinal support elements. The rigid posterior panel that extends from the SC to the T9 vertebrae. The new form LO637 is provided with customizable anterior panel that works in conjunction with the integrated anterior reinforcements. Integrated longitudinal support elements. Customizable rigid bilateral panels for lateral control. The rigid posterior panel that extends from the SC to the T9 vertebrae. The new form universal lumbar has an easy sizing adjustment system. Disengage the thumb pull tabs prior to adjusting the belt length. Each side is marked with sizing indicators. Disengaging the hook end at the fold in the belt. Increase or decrease the belt lengths as needed. An easy flip belt loop makes for easy feeding through the belt loop opening. Ensure the length adjustments are the same for each side of the belt. For all models, the anterior panel is placed on the inner left side of the belt end. For the LO637 model, lateral panels are placed with the widest end next to the posterior panel. When applying the new form, ensure that both belt ends have been pulled outward from each other to release any slack in the pulley system. Wrap the brace around the torso, positioning the brace against the lumbar curve. Both front ends of the belt should overlap one another when properly fitted. A discretion strap can be applied to secure the end closure. The Easy Glide pulley system offers exceptional control when adjusting the tension in the brace. The new form can easily be fitted and applied when the patient is in the supine position in hospital or clinical settings. For larger patients with waistlines from 48 to 68 inches, an interior extension panel is available. Secure the extension panel to the left side closure end of the belt. All rigid panels can be removed from their covers and heat molded or trimmed as needed for customization. The new form lumbar orthosis offers you and your patients new innovative products to help treat their lower back injuries.